Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video, guys. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you something that you might not already know. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot without having to actually press the power button and the volume down button. Okay, so it's real simple. What I'm about to show you, just follow. All you have to do is pull down the notifications, go into the settings, scroll down to where it says accessibility, select it, and then select interaction and dexterity. And here you will see assistant menu. Turn it on, select allow, and then you'll notice this little circular floating looking button. Select it and then select screenshot, and bam, it's just taken a screenshot. Select it again, select screenshots, and it's just taken a screenshot, and you can view the screenshot within the gallery. And down here you can give it a love heart, you can edit it, and there's just a bunch of editing options. You can add filters to it, and then save it when you've finished editing, and then you can share it, or you can even delete it if you're not happy with it. And that was the second, no, this one was the first screenshot that I taken, I think. But yeah, that was just my video showing you how to take a screenshot without having to actually hold down the power button and the volume down button. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Let me know if you already knew about this method. Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I'm out, guys. Deuces.